The best buns possible when you're making a burger? Let's go ahead and make this, shall we?
I trust Uncle Joshua, but let's make it to see if it's the best.
60 grams of whole milk,
60 grams of whole milk,
2 tablespoons or 27 grams of water,
2 tablespoons of water. It is 27 grams.
20 grams of bread flour.
I already added it earlier.
Then place that pot over medium heat and continuously whisk until the mixture thickens dramatically.
Let's see how dramatic it is. Well, pretty dramatic.
120 grams of whole milk heated to about 95 degrees.
120 grams of whole milk. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. Perfect.
Then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon or 9 grams of instant yeast.
1 tablespoon of instant yeast is 10 grams.
320 grams of bread flour.
320 grams of bread flour.
35 grams of sugar.
35 grams of sugar.
7 grams of fine sea salt.
7 grams of not so fine sea salt.
Give that some whiskey business.
Giving whiskey business.
With your stand mixer running on low speed, go ahead and add your milk and yeast mixture.
When my hand is going low speed, I'm gonna add my milk mixture.
Add your tangzong paste that you made earlier,
Add the tangjong paste I made earlier.
followed by 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, which are ideally room temperature.
Room temperature, 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk.
Increase your mixer speed to medium-low.
Increase my speed to medium-low.
Once incorporated, gradually add 42 grams of butter.
Okay, why does mine look like that? Whatever. Gradually add my butter.
Just let that stand mixer knead the dough for about 5 to 8 minutes.
Just let my hand knead it for 5 minutes. Or what it seems like 10 years.
Take your dough and gently fold in the side.
Take my dough and gently fold in the side.
Rub it around in a circle, keeping constant contact with the board.
Rub it around, keeping constant contact with the board.
Go ahead and place it in your greased bowl.
Into a greasy bowl.
Cover that bowl with a damp towel.
Cover with damp paper towel.
Now you guys already know that I use my fermentation station as usual.
But I don't have a fermentation station.
Now obviously you can just put this in a turned off oven with the light on.
Leave it in the oven that shuts down its light automatically.
Pull it out and then give it a nice spanking because it's been a bad dough and it deserves it.
Pull it out after an hour and a half. My dough's been pretty good, but I'm still gonna spank it.
Divide your dough into 6 even pieces.
Divide my dough into 6 sort of even pieces.
Gently stretch and fold it to the center.
Gently fold in to the center.
Then flip it over, pulling the dough towards you, keeping constant contact with the work surface.
Now flip it over and pull the dough towards me, keeping constant contact with the work surface.
Now if you feel more confident, you can also just rub the ball in a circle with one hand.
Usually I'm insecure, but I'm feeling confident right now. Why does it look different than the other dough?
Place your balls evenly spaced apart on a I can't say that without laughing. And place your balls evenly spaced apart on a rimmed baking sheet tray.
Let's see if I can say it. Place your balls evenly across the rimmed baking sheet tray.
Nice job, team.
And for some reason, the confident dough that I'm holding, it just looks different. Guess I'm not truly confident.
And allow them to rise at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled.
Rest till they're all doubled. Except for the confident ball. It's looking pretty flat.
Gently brush the entire top of the buns with egg wash.
Let me just make a quick point. This is not my hair. This was hair from this brush. Okay, I swear.
This is my hair, not the hair from the brush. I swear.
Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 to 18 minutes.
Bake at 375 for 18 minutes.
Brush them generously with melted butter or brown butter if you're feeling extra fancy.
I never feel fancy, so I'm just gonna brush with normal butter. They're actually looking pretty good.
You know what to do. Make your burgers and enjoy life.
I don't know how to enjoy life, but I might know how to make a burger.
Always toast your buns.
I don't always toast my buns, but I'll do it this time.
Also, always season your tomatoes with flaky salt before adding them to a burger.
I don't always season my tomatoes. Not gonna do it this time.
And it's done.
Mine's done too. Oh, I think it's overcooked.
Holy. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm not even chewing it.
Holy boom boom boom. That's not good for your digestion. Let's see how good it is. The same time, highly recommend. But if you don't have a KitchenAid, you'd be having an arm workout. Alright, thank you.